One day Kavya and I were playing with the racket and the ball went into a Taku's house. Though we were scared, we went to his house and asked him if he could give us our ball. He said no. We felt helpless. Suddenly, I had an idea. There was a water tank behind the Taku's house. I looked at it and told Kavya, look at this. We can climb the water tank and jump over the gate. Kavya agreed, but we were both wearing skirts. We couldn't climb with that. It doesn't matter, we can see tomorrow. Don't forget to wear pants, said Kavya. Bye, I said and went back home. The next day I went to Kavya's house early. We were both wearing pants. Best of luck, said Kavya's brother Vijay. He knew everything. He said, shout loudly if you need me. We went to the water tank. Who will climb first? Asked Kavya. You, I said. She agreed. She climbed down into the Taku's house. I followed her and then we were looking under a bed for the ball when we heard a noise. It was Vijay. Mother is calling you, he whispered. We hurried and took out the lost ball. But along with the ball was a gold bar. We quickly took both the ball and the gold bar and climbed up the water tank again. When we reached Kavya's house, the T.V was on. It was news time. I couldn't believe my ears when it said that 20 gold bars were stolen from a gold shop. They showed a picture of the gold bars and it was exactly like the one we had found. We all knew it because there was a look of surprise on everyone's face. We quickly told the story to Kavya's mother and she called the police. The police came at once and caught the Taku. They found the rest of the gold bars in the Taku's house. After some time the police inspector came and told us, thank you children for catching the thief. Here is a reward for all of you. When we opened the gifts, we were surprised. There were investigative books for Kavya and me.